Let's set this mood so we can tackle these finances. We have the Pretty Savvy expense sheet right here. I'm going to list out all of my monthly expenses. When I say all of them, I mean all of them. All the monthly expenses list on one sheet, because what you're going to do is you're going to divide them up between two paychecks on one page. At the top has paycheck number 1, and then next to it has paycheck number 2. And you want to list out your budgeted amounts according to their due dates and your pay dates. There's 2 pay days on the sheet. And keep some correction tape if you decide to do this in pen, because I know I'm a hot mess. So I decided to go ahead and put my correction tape and use it so I can clean that up, okay? So then you want to put all of your monthly expenses, add them up, and put them at the bottom of the page where it says total, and that's your budgeted amount. Next, we have our pretty penny to keep track of our bills as we pay them so we can see our running balance. And then at the end of each month, you can use these pie charts to see where your money is going. In order to get a percentage so you can calculate how much you're spending, you can take your expenses and divide them by your income. And now you see me using our transparent sticky note as a page marker for each month. So this is January expenses, and I'm going to put that at the top for quick reference. And then I know exactly where my January expenses are. And then I just place my check register after I've paid everything behind it to keep it together. So here you'll see what they look like blank without all of my writing and without all of the blurring of the personal financial information. So here we have a credit score tracker that also comes with it. And then we also have savings and debt trackers. Each section comes with affirmations so that you can be happy to balance your budget and take control of your finances. So here is our Pretty Savvy mini financial bundle that comes with 6 months of credit score trackers, expense sheets, check registers, debt and savings tracker, and spending habits. Here's to being pretty wealthy.